My role at the Met Office is really to manage 2 members of staff at the Met Office and also 6 members of staff at the university. I try and get them to work together in an integrated kind of way, and we work generally on the impact of aerosols on climate. Aerosols are small particles in the atmosphere that are emitted from a variety of sources, including things like pollution, desert dust, biomass burning smoke, volcanic ash even. And my job is really to sort of integrate all of this together between the university and the Met Office and come up with our scientific findings. So aerosols impact the climate in 2 distinct ways. They can either reflect or absorb sunlight, or they can alter the properties of clouds. Generally, the impact of aerosols is thought to be a cooling of climate because they reflect sunlight back out to space, and also they tend to make clouds brighter, which in turn also reflects sunlight back out to space. So there's many different kinds of aerosols, and this is much more complicated than it sounds. Balance my working life as a climate scientist with the rest of my life, my personal life, really by trying to get a balance between the 2. I like to spend my free time doing active things, whether it's gardening, cycling, skiing, golf. I try and do that sort of thing. I find that sort of helps me to relax in my free time. I have made a few changes in my life because of my work as a climate scientist, one of which is I don't eat very much meat at all. I do eat chicken still, but I don't eat red meat. The other thing I do is I cycle. I cycle to work, mainly because it takes the same length of time as driving in traffic. And so far I've done 3,500 kilometres of cycling this year, which is doing my bit for the climate in terms of carbon dioxide emissions.